Step inside the RTL Ferry, a space of comfort and connection. Here, every seat holds a story. Every glance carries the excitement of a journey across the waters. The RTL Ferry, ensuring safe and reliable domestic transportation for locals and travelers alike. Passengers prepare for their voyage. Bags in hand, hearts filled with the anticipation. As the ferry glides forward, the Indian Ocean reveals its magic. A journey becomes more than movement. It becomes an experience too.